Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. We're having a little thunderstorm, so if you hear thunder, don't be alarmed. You might even see a little lightning, and you already see my little sidekick is here right by my side helping me with the haul. Today our haul is going to be a shoe haul. Keds, the sneakers. I want you to see all the shoes that I had bought. I love their brand. They're so comfortable, and they were having a sale for $19.99. So I want to show you all the pairs I bought for $19.99, or at least attempt to. Okay, pair number one. Let's take a look. Oh, look how pretty these are. This is like the classic Keds, but with a sparkle on it, which I just loved. And they were on sale for $19.99. Look how cute. OMG. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So look how absolutely beautiful that is. Oh my goodness. I am so sorry. So anyways, let us continue. Let's continue. Come on, little princess. As you see, okay, let's put her down here. There. I put my little sidekick down. Okay, so you can see she'll come right back. So here's the first sneaker. I got two pairs of these because they're just so classic and so much that I like about a sneaker. So nice. Okay, let's put that first pair away. And I'm going to, so when I take them, I will put them down here. So let's go to this pair. Let's show them this pair. Keds. And what have we got in here? Ooh, this one is similar like that, but this one's black. Look at that, black with sparkles. The other classic Keds, but with a little pizzazz. How cute. Isn't it just so cute? Like, oh, if she could, she'd put her whole little head in there and wear them. But she can't. So there's the second pair. And love those. Love, love, love. Can't wait to wear them. All right, let's see what I've got here. What have I got here in this one? Keds. This here. Ooh, this is a nice slip-on one, just like this, with a nice little pattern. Kind of little tropical floral pattern. Really nice. Classic too. Easy to put on. I think you can wash this, like spot wash this really easily. So there's the other pair. And the next one. Let's take a look. Oh, these are really nice also. This is a slip-on also, and I'm looking at the pattern for you. This is another like a bright, like a kind of tropical, vibrant colors. Really nice for summer now. And what the bottoms are really nice. Look at the like insole here, and that's how that looks. Really pretty nice material. I think this would be pretty easy to like spot clean also, wouldn't it? Oh, I hope she doesn't press a button. Nope, she's good. She presses a button and stops or pauses the video. I'll have to start over. But we're good now. We're good, aren't we, sweetheart? Yes. She's just sitting here, just enjoying herself. Okay, let's get our next box out. What have we got in here? And they wrap them up so pretty. They're wrapped up so nicely with the paper on here. Ooh. And I did, like I said, I did order these, so they came from online, and they came really, really nicely in a nice box. Look at these. These are slip-ons also. They're white. But can you see like the little texture over here? Kind of like a little, yeah, like a little eyelet or something, which is really nice. It's your classic white sneaker. She's got her head in the box. in the box. OMG. Oh. And so very nice, and they're lightweight too. And that's the back, and then the sides like that, and then up like that. So these are also very nice, and all of the ones I'm showing you were $19.99 from the online that I ordered. So nice. And I picked, for my size, I picked 6. That's just the size I wear, and that's a good size. Well, she's playing with that box. Maybe I'll leave it. I'll leave her that box. The box. We'll go to the next one. Here's the next one. And well, these were the second pair that I showed you. I showed you the first pair. This is the second one. These are just so cute. I really had to get the 2 because they will come in handy. I will wear them one at a time. I'll wear out one and then start using the other. And like that at the bottom, the side, the back. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, and then that, and then like this. Nice, isn't it? Nice, huh? I think she likes them. Let me take this one back that I have. She's putting her head right in the one that I left. So those are nice too. Okay, hold on just a minute. I see that the star of the show, the star of the show is here. Okay, in full force. So that's really pretty too. And these are the ones I showed you already. And this is our last pair. Right here. The box. And let's see. Which ones are these? Ooh, these are really nice too. Look. Classic. A little bit higher here. Keds. The back. Sides. The front. Really nice with the contrasting white, and then like a black, it's like little flowers or roses, if you can see. How nice, and very lightweight and very kind of soft too, like cushioned. These are very nicely cushioned, so a very nice shoe. And that's the last one there. It says jump kick, and drawn. Oh, it's like they kind of like hand drew it, it says. So, and that's my Keds haul. So I hope everyone enjoyed the sneaker haul with my little friend who's just plopped herself in front of me and the haul. And I'll try and let me go back to, the first, which one did oh yeah, these ones. Did I show you these? Oh, look at these in the back. These were the sparkly ones, the black sparkly, and I didn't realize when I did the other one. Look, it's got like that. That sparkle in the back there. Side like that, front, and then side like that. All size 6. This is a little bit lower platform than some of the other ones. See how they were varied, which is nice. Like that and like that. Super nice. And once more like that. So if anyone's ever ordered or have Keds, comment down below. Tell me if you like them. Tell me if you think they're comfortable and what styles you like. And I really like them. And we will talk about what we like and what we don't, won't we? She's literally just laid down in front of me. And says, please subscribe to the channel. I'll be bringing you some more hauls and grocery shopping and home decor, outdoor doings of. I would have liked to have done an outdoor tour today, but it's raining and thunder and lightning. So today won't be the day for the outdoors, unless by some miracle it stops soon and I can do it, but I don't think so. So that will have to be done at a later time. And she's just rusted. Can you see? Everyone have a wonderful, wonderful week and weekend and week, and please subscribe, and I will talk to you later. See you later on my channel. Bye, everybody. Bye.